Hi everyone, this is Krishna Rao, Maths IIT faculty. Last class we discussed multiple and submultiple angles and transformation, and some problems also we completed. Now we have to discuss from question number 1 onwards. Here cos theta is equal to cos alpha into cos beta. Then tan theta plus alpha by 2 and tan theta minus alpha by 2 value. See here, tan theta plus alpha by 2 into tan theta minus alpha by 2. This is looks like tan a plus b into tan a minus b formula. Here tan square theta by 2 minus tan square alpha by 2. Tan square a minus tan square b by 1 minus tan square a tan square b 1 minus here tan square theta by 2 into tan square alpha by 2. Now see here cos 2 theta in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Here 2 theta means here theta means here theta by 2 you can write here. Now cross multiply. Cos theta plus cos theta into tan square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Now we have to express tan in terms of cos. Then here see here this tan send that side, or this tan send this side, this cos theta send that side. Now in these two terms tan square you have to take common. Tan square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta, here 1 minus this cos theta send that side, 1 minus cos theta. At last we want tan square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Where it is given here tan square theta by 2, then we can write here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now see here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos alpha by here 1 plus cos alpha, 1 plus cos alpha not by 2 alpha upon here 1 minus here tan square theta by 2 instead of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. Now you can take here LCM here and write it. See here 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus cos alpha and cos minus cos into 1 minus cos theta and minus into plus minus cos theta into cos alpha minus plus into minus 1 into minus 1 and minus into minus plus cos alpha and cos theta into 1 minus cos theta and cos theta into minus cos alpha is here plus cos theta into cos alpha upon here denominator this denominator cancel, thereafter you can multiply this denominator into 1, then you can write here 1 plus cos alpha into plus cos alpha cos theta plus cos theta into cos alpha minus this 2 you can multiply here minus first you can multiply here minus here 1 into 1 that 1 and to minus, then minus 1 and 1 into cos alpha minus cos alpha into minus plus cos alpha and here minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos alpha into minus is plus cos theta. Okay, once again here 1 and 1 into cos alpha minus into minus plus here cos theta into 1 cos theta and cos theta cos alpha minus into minus plus into minus cos theta cos alpha. Now see here like terms you can cancel it here. Which one is here like terms? This is cancel and minus 1 also cancel. and here cos alpha, and this cos, not cos alpha, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, this is cos theta, and this is cancel. Now you can write here, this is cos alpha, cos alpha, cos alpha, cos alpha, 2 times of cos alpha minus 2 times of cos theta by, here also 2 times of cos alpha plus cos theta. This is also cancel. Now see here, here cos theta instead of cos alpha into cos beta as given. Now this cos alpha instead of cos alpha minus, here cos theta instead of, you can write this one, cos alpha into cos beta upon cos alpha plus cos alpha into cos beta. Now in this numerator denominator you have to take cos alpha and cancel it, 1 minus cos beta by 1 plus cos beta. Now see here this one, here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to tan square theta by 2. Here theta instead of what is given, beta, then here tan square beta by 2. Now our option is second one, note down. Okay, next problem, second one, sin 8a by sin a is equal to k times cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a. Then find the value of k. See here, k times, actually we know that one formula, cos a into cos 2a into cos 2 square a, up to so on, cos 2 to the power of n minus 1 a is equal to 2 to the power of n cos, sorry, here sin 2 to the power of n theta by 2 to the power of n into sin theta, 2 to the power of n into sin theta. Now you have to follow this one also same, k times, you can write here cos a, cos 2a and cos 2 square a, and 2 square a, this is right as 3 power minus 1, you can write here. Here 3 minus 1 means 2, 2 square means here 4. Now it is equal to sin power, here n is equal to 3, 2 power 3 theta by, here 2 power 3 into sin theta. Now here sin 2 power 3 means here 8 theta by, this is k times, you can write here k also is there. Then here k times of sin 8 theta by, here 8 into sin theta is equal to, okay, k is equal to k as given. Here k cancel, then sorry, k already given, k, this is not k, this is given sin 8a by sin a. Now see here, this is comparison the like terms, here sin 8 theta, here a, here theta instead of, you can write here a, here a. Now this is also cancel, this is also cancel, k by 8 is equal to 1, then k is equal to 8. Which option? This is third option, note down. Next problem, cos pi by 15 plus cos 2 pi by 15 plus cos 3 pi by 15 plus cos 4 by 15 plus into cos 5 pi by 15 into cos 6 pi by 15. See here also one more formula is there, cos pi by 2n plus 1 into cos 2 pi by 2n plus 1 into cos 3 pi by 2n plus 1 into up to so on cos n pi by 2n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 power n, 1 by 2 power n. See here denominator is right as, this is 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, here 1 by 2n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 15. That means here 2n plus 1 is equal to 15. 2n is equal to this one side, that side means here this is 14. n is equal to 7 here. n is equal to 7 means here you can find 1 by 2 power n. This is right side. 1 by 2 power n means 1 by 2 power 7 is equal to 1 by 128. Your answer is second one, note down. Next fourth one, if cos theta cosecant theta is equal to p plus q by p minus q, then cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to. Here cosecant theta is right as 1 by sin theta is equal to p plus q by p minus q. Here we have to apply component and dividend rule. Component, apply component and dividend rule. Component dividend rule means here 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Here what has given denominator, you have to add and subtract. Here also same, p plus q, denominator you have to add and subtract p plus p minus q by p minus q minus of plus minus minus into minus plus. Now see here, this is 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. This is q cancel. Here this is p not p plus, here p plus, this is p plus, then this is pp cancel, then 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to here p 2p by, this is 2p by 2q. Now what we will do here, this is 2 to cancel. Now this is write as, how to write here, this is sin 2 theta 1 plus, see here this is write as sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2, this one identity, plus sin theta, this is sin theta is write as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Sin to a formula in terms of submultiple angles. Here also denominator also same, sin square theta by 2 minus plus cos square theta by 2 minus 2 times of sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is equal to p by q. Now this is write as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then write as sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 by here also sin theta by 2, or otherwise here you can write here cos theta by 2, sorry, plus sin theta by 2, then this is minus means here how to write in terms of cos theta by 2, this is write as cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Now this is cos theta by 2 and sin theta by 2, you can write here, this is p by q whole square you can write here. Now this square going that side means root cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 is equal to under root or p by q. Now this is divided by numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. Now this is 1 plus here tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2 is equal to under root over p by q, or otherwise you have to under root of p by q. Now this is write as tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to p by q. Now this is write as cot pi by 4 plus theta by 2 means this is reciprocal q by p. Now this is write as second option, note down. Okay, next fifth value tan x plus pi by 3 plus tan x plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3, then tan 3x. See here one shortcut also there, tan x plus theta plus tan x plus 2 theta is equal to 3, here 3 tan 3 theta, but here this value has given 3, this is 3 cancel means here 3 theta is equal to 1, its value is 1. Okay, this is third option, not that tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b plus here also tan x plus tan 2 pi by 3 by 1 minus tan x into tan 2 pi by 3. Now this is equal to 3, this is equal to 3 as given. Now see here, only these two you have to take LCM, remaining as you can write here tan x plus here tan pi by 3 value is equal to tan x, tan 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 1, here tan, this is also root 3 into tan x plus Here this is 62, so 120, 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 means cos cot 30 minus cot 30 means here minus root 3 by here 1 minus here minus root 3 into minus plus root 3 into tan x. Now take LCM now here. Tan x into this is 1 minus a minus b into a plus b is equal to here a square minus b square into tan x plus the here tan x, this is x plus tan x into 1 tan x plus root 3 into tan square x. Now this is okay tan x. Now root 3 into 1 plus root 3 plus 3 tan x. Now plus this one 1 into tan x and tan x into root 3 minus root 3 tan square x, and this is root 3 into minus 1 minus root 3 minus into minus plus 3 tan x whole by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now this is also tan x. Direct you can multiply tan x. This is 3 tan cube. Okay, tan x. Now any terms cancel. This term cancel. Root 3 tan square x cancel. Now here plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. Now this is 3 times 4 7 8. This is 1 9 tan x 9 tan x. This is 3 tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Here numerator you have to take common 3, then 3 times of 3 tan x minus tan cube x by here 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now 3 times of this is tan 3x. Tan 3x. Its value as given 3. This 3 cancel. Now tan 3x is equal to 1. You have to use the formula tan x plus theta plus tan x plus 2 theta is equal to 3 tan 3x is equal to that 3 value. 3 cancel means tan 3x is equal to 1. Okay, you can follow any method also, no problem. Okay, next sixth problem. Cos square 10 degrees plus cos square 110 degrees plus cos square 130 degrees value. See here, cos square 10 plus and cos square, this is right as 120 minus 10 degrees plus cos square 120 plus theta is equal to, this is right as cos square theta plus cos square 120 minus theta plus cos square 120 plus theta is equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. Its value is 3 by 4 cos 3 times of theta. Theta value is here 10 degrees. Understand? Now this is 3 by 4 into cos how many degrees? 30 degrees. 3 by 4 into cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Then this is right as 3 root 3 by 4 to say 8. 3 root 3 by 8. No doubt. Next seventh problem. Here root 3 cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees. See here, this is right as root 3. This is sine 20 degrees. Root 3 sine 20. Here 1 by cos 20 degrees. Now take LCM here. This is root 3 into cos 20 degrees minus sine 20 degrees upon sine 20 into cos 20. Now here denominator divide by 2 or multiply and divide by 2. 2 times of here root 3 by 2 into cos 20 degrees minus 1 by 2 into sine 20 degrees upon here also multiplied by 2 and divide by 2 sine 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. Now this is root 3 by 2 value of in terms of sine means sine how many degrees here? Sine 60 degrees into cos 20 degrees minus here 1 by 2 in terms of cos means cos how many degrees? Cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees into sine 20 degrees whole by this is 1 by 2 is going numerator, this is 2 and this is 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a, sin 2 times of 20 degrees. Now here this is 2 into 2, 4. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B means here, what is the formula? Sin A minus B, sin 60 minus 20 by sin 2 into 2, 40 degrees. 60 minus 20, 40. This is 40 cancel. Its value is 4. Fourth option. Eighth problem, sin square 160 degrees plus sin square 140 degrees plus sin square 100 degrees. Now see here, this is right as sin square 180 minus 160. 180 minus 20 you can write here. 180 minus 20 means here 160. Plus here sin square, this is 140 or 40. This is 40 degrees. Now 140. Okay, 140 is right as sin square 180 minus 40 degrees. 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. Plus this is right as sin square 180 minus 80 degrees. Now this is the second quadrant. This is also second quadrant. This is also second quadrant. Second quadrant all are positive. Sin no changes. Why? Because here number of right angles is even. Then sin square 20 degrees plus sin square 40 degrees plus sin square 80 degrees. Now this is rewrite as sin square theta plus sin square 60 minus theta. 60 minus theta plus sin square 60 plus theta is equal to 3 by 2. Its answer is equal to 3 by 2. Note down. Okay, next ninth problem, sin x by sine of x by 8. This is also very easy problem. See how this means here. This sin x you have to express in terms of sin 2x in submultiple angles. 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by yes sin x by 8. Again this is rewrite as this is 2 sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 you have to express in terms of submultiple angles. 2 into 2 sin x by 2 means here x by 4 and cos x by 4 into cos x by 2. Cos x by 2. Now this is 2 into 2 by sin x by 8. 2 into 2 4 sin x by 4 into cos x by 4 into cos x by 2 upon sin x by 8. Now this is rewrite as sin x by 4 you can express in terms of multiple angles. Here 4 into 2 sin x by 8 into cos x by 8 into cos x by 4 into cos x by 2 by sin x by 8. Now 4 2s are 8 sin x by 4 x by 8 cancel. Now this is cos x by 8 into cos x by 4 into cos x by 2. 8 times of cos x by 8 cos x by 4 into cos x by 2. This is the first option. Note down. Next 10th problem, cos A minus cos 3A by cos A plus cos sin A plus sin 3A by sin A. See here, this is cos A minus cos 3A formula is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A by cos A plus here sin A plus here sin cube A 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A by sin A. Now you can write here minus into minus plus. This is 3 times plus 1, 4 times cos A minus 4 cos cube A by cos A plus here sin A plus 3 sin A 4 sin A minus 4 sin cube A by sin A. Here numerator takes cos A and cancel it denominator, then 4 minus 4 cos square A plus here also same 4 minus 4 sin square A. Now here 4 take common in these two terms, 1 minus cos square A 1 minus cos square A plus here also 4 take common, 1 minus sin square A. Here 4 this is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 then this is sin square a plus this is 4 cos square a, then here 4 common means sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 4, or otherwise here 4 plus 4 8 minus this is 4 take common, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. This is fourth option. Last 11th problem, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 times of a plus 1 by a, then cos 3 theta is equal to k times of a cube plus 1 by a cube. Now see here, cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Here 4 times of cos theta value you have to substitute here, 1 by 2 times of a plus 1 by a whole cube minus 3 times of a plus 1 by a. Now this is 4 times of here 1 by 2 whole cube means here 1 by 8 into this is a plus whole cube formula, a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 times a into 1 by a into a plus b minus 3 times of a plus 1 by a. Now this numerator denominator cancel, this is 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 times, then 1 by 2 times of here a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 1 by a cube plus here, okay, this is a 3 times of 3 times means here 3 by 2 a plus 1 by a minus 3 times of a plus 1 by a. Okay, right here. Now this is you can take here a plus 1 by a, here 1 by 2 times of a cube plus 1 by a cube. Now this is also you can write as here 3 by 2 mean 3 by 2 3 by 2 means here this is you can write here 2 3s are 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 times of a plus 1 by a. Now this is right as a, sorry here this is minus. Okay, now this is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a minus b, a plus b, 3 into a minus b into this is a plus b. Actually here made a mistake here. Actually this is cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 times. Here then you can write here, this is correct equation, a cube plus b cube. Then here also by 2, here also by 2. Now this 2 cancel, then 1 by 2 times of a cube plus 1 by a cube, this is cos theta. Now this is k times of a cube plus 1 by a cube. Now comparison the corresponding values, k is equal to 1 by 2. Then this is third option, note down. Next 12th problem, 8 sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta is equal to sin x. Then find the value of x. See here, this is 8 is right as 4 into 2 times of sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta is equal to sin x. Now see here, this is 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a. 4 times of sin 2a theta into cos 2 theta. This 4 times is right as 2 times of 2 you can write here. 2 into 2 4 and cos 4 theta is equal to sin x. Now this is 2 times of, again this is rewrite as 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 2 4 theta into cos 4 theta is equal to sin x. Now this is 2 sin a cos a is equal to sin 2a. Sin 4 into 2 8 theta is equal to sin x. Here comparison the ratios means here 8 theta is equal to x. X is equal to 8 theta. Second option, note down. Next problem 30th one, 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 into sin 270 minus 20 degrees. 270 minus 20 degrees. 250 degrees, sorry, this is just a minute. Okay, now see here, this is 250 degrees. Now this is right as cos of 290 is right as 270 plus 20 degrees. And 1 by root 3 into sin 270 minus 20 you can write here is equal to lambda 1 by, this is a fourth quadrant, 270 plus theta means fourth quadrant cos positive, and this is a number of right angles is 3 means it's opposite, you can write here sine 20 degrees plus 1 by root 3 into, this is also third quadrant sine is negative, and here number of right angles is odd, then you can write here cos 20 degrees, then you can write here minus. Take LCM here, root 3 cos 20 degrees minus sine 20 by sine 20 into here root 3 into sine 20 into cos 20. Now divide numerator and multiply by 2 and 2, root 3 by 2 and cos 20 degrees minus 1 by 2 into sine 20 degrees. Here also root 3 by 2 into here 2 times of sine 20 into cos 20. Now this is sine how many degrees? 2 times of sine 60 degrees and cos 20 minus cos 60 degrees into sine 20. Perform this 2 root 3 by 2 going to numerator means here this is right as 2 by root 3. Now this is 2 sin A cos A means sin 2A, sin 2 times of 20 degrees. Now this is 2 into 2 4 by root 3 into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A minus B, 60 minus 20 upon sin 40 degrees. This is cancel. Now 4 by root 3 your answer. Third one, not done. Next problem, sin 90 degrees minus tan 90 degrees minus tan 27 degrees minus tan 63 degrees plus tan 81. See here 9 plus 81 is equal to 90 and 23 plus 63 is equal to 90. Now you can write here tan 90 degrees plus tan 81 degrees minus you have to take common tan 27 degrees plus tan 63 degrees. Now this is right as sin by cos, sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees. This one also write as sin by cos. Same, this is also sin 27 degrees by cos 27 degrees plus sin 63 degrees by cos 63 degrees. Now take LCM here. Sin 9 degrees into sin 81 degrees plus and sorry this is cos 81 degrees plus here sin 81 degrees into cos 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees into cos 81 degrees. Minus common, here also take LCM, here cos 27 degrees into cos 63 degrees. Now this is also right as sin 27 into cos 63 or okay, or otherwise we have to do it, very easy method is there. Here only we have to change the values in terms of sin and cos. See here this is tan 9 degrees. This is right as cot 9 degrees. Cot 9 degrees. Tan 90 minus 9 degrees means here same. Here also tan 27 degrees plus this is also cot 27 you can write here. Now you can write convert it into sin and cos. Sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees plus this is cos 9 degrees by sin 9 degrees. Here also same sin 27 degrees by cos 27 degrees plus cos 27 degrees by sin 27 degrees. Now take LCM here. Here sin square 9 degrees plus cos square 9 degrees by here sin 90 degrees into cos 9 degrees minus here also same sin 27 into cos 27. Here sin square 27 plus cos square 27. Now this is identity 1. This is also identity 1. Now you can multiply numerator and denominator by 2, and here also 2. Then see here, this is 1 means 2 by, this is 2 sin 9 degrees into cos 9 degrees minus 1 by, here also 2 sin 27 degrees into cos 27 degrees. Here 2. Now this is sin 2a, this is also sin 2a. 2 common. Here 1 by sin 18 degrees minus 1 by here sin 54 degrees. Sin 54. Now this value is 1 by root 5 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now you can write here 2 times of this is going to numerator, 4 by root 5 minus 1, here root 5 plus 1 by. That means here 4 by root 5 plus 1. Now this is write as 2 into 4, 8. 4 common, take common. Then here root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by, this is 5 minus 1. Take LCM here. After taking 4 common, then here 1 by root 5 minus 1 by root 5 plus 1. Now you can take here LCM. A minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square, 5 minus 1. Then here root 5 plus 1, and here minus into root 5 minus into minus plus 1. Here this is cancelled, and this is 8, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 8, 16. By this is 4. This value is 4. 4 by 16 is 4. This is the fourth option. Note down. Next problem, 15th one. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is equal to 5 implies 6 tan x by 2 minus 9 tan square x by 2 value. See here sin cos has given, here in terms of tan has given. Then what we will do? See here, very easy. Here sin you can write here in terms of tan in submultiple angles, and cos also say right here. Here sin 2x in terms of tan means 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Here 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus here 4, here cos 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 we can write here is equal to 5. Now let tan x by 2, you can take some variable, some t you can take here. 2 into 3, 6 by 1 plus t square plus 4 by 1 minus t by 1 plus t square is equal to 5. Take LCM. Take LCM here. This is also 1 plus tan square. Here also 1 plus tan square x. Then 6 plus 4 minus 4t square is equal to 5 plus 5t square. 5t square. Now see here. All terms same that side. Here 9t square. 9t square. Here I missed this one t, then this is 6t. This is also minus 6t, and this is coming this side means here 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 6t. Then what is the value here? 1. Note down.